The back seat is all mine because my brother went with my grandma to buy some biscuits, so I'm going to just lay. Ow, ow, ow. My brother's charger slipped right there. So yeah, this is what it looks like outside. So my grandpa is here and my grandma is not here, as you can see, because she went to buy biscuits for her shop. She has a shop that sells a bunch of food, Filipino food, because we're in Philippines. So yeah. Pa, bigay mo ako signal pag nandyan na sila.
Patayin ko para mainit.
No. It's gonna be hot. A hot summer.
It's gonna be hot?
Hot. So yeah, I'm just going to do some unusual stuff in the back seat because my brother is not here. He would not like me to do that if he's here. And he only has one seat. Actually, he has two seats. I'm only one because this is my brother's stuff. He can just put it in his bag and put it here. And this is his bag. And I can't wait to meet my childhood best friend again. And the little troublemaker, his baby sister. I hate that one. So yeah. I'm trying to put like Milo Bingham do when he's dancing. Like, I don't know how to do it. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do some unusual things so you guys can watch me. Watch me do it like them. Yung zombie lang. No. Whee! Oh my gosh, I can hear. Whee! They're taking forever. I want candy. Tapos sa candy, extra. Oh my god. What happened to my kid? I think it's going to be open. I'm giving my grandpa coffee. Pa. Coffee. Flavor na ginagawa. Binigay sa akin po ni mama. Ito yung binigay. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna fix this? Guys, please tell me how. How are you guys gonna know? I bet none of you did this with your candy cans. I don't know if there's a thing called candy cans in America. Like I said, I'm not American, I'm Filipino, and I have an idea. I have infinite candy. And no, that's gonna be chaos. And now I have candy and candy mixed with a bit of lime soda. Come on, I love the caramel flavor. Oh my gosh, it's tearing it apart. Oh my gosh, I thought my grandma and my brother is coming back. See? And she's putting candy. This candy is XO, this is coffee, and this is candy. As you can see, I love XO. See, I have a bunch of candy right here. I'm going to put them. And gosh, I have powers. Why am I like this? I'm just a girl. Oh, I have an idea. This is trash can. This is candy. I hate haters. I'm not a hater. I never hate. I'm a supporter. I want people to eat it. Actually, no. I don't like. I am a. Oh my gosh! It actually fell. You tape, you're not strong enough. I thought you were strong enough to handle candy. Now it fell. At least it's only 2 that fell. Now we can put the last 3. You are a disgrace to the tape room. Like, I guess people are just gonna say jump right now. Do you get? I have nostalgia because my brother is enrolling to a different school and not in my school anymore because he just graduated college. He just graduated elementary school and I graduated 3rd grade. So I'm going to 4th grade in the same school. My brother is going to high school. So yeah, he's no longer. And we don't have anything called middle school here, only high school, elementary, and college. Yeah, that's the only thing we have in the village. I'm not sure. What am I going to do? Pa, look. Papa. Pa, look. Look, tinan nyo. Tinan nyo. Candy. Sinabit ko. Ang galing nito. It's not breaking. This is the trash can. Ito yung trash can ng candy. And ito naman yung lalagyan ng candy. What am I doing in my life? Nothing. I have a fun, crazy life. Like the time I went to Kitsuna when I was my birthday.
Hey, what are you doing? Sorry, No, stop it. Okay, sorry, now let me make it up to you.
How come you guys can see clear and I can't? Like, ha! To the house now.
What are you talking about?
I'm tired. I want coffee, but coffee is all the way down here, so I'm just gonna have buttered caramel. I thought it was only caramel. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I am the Lulu. Oh, that hurt. That hurt my nail. It hurts. Oh my gosh, it's red. I just scored red.
Should never be hungry. I'm starving. Jesse.
Don't think about it. Not think about it really, First candy of the day.
2 years. All this time I had no idea.
I'm going to put it in the trash can. Now we're going to know how many candies I ate today. Because I can count how many candies I ate. Because I always eat candy. Now this is candy. Trash can.
My work,
Candy. Trash can.
taking photos
Candy.
of bills,
Trash can.
flu.
Candy. Okay.
I think she's back to divorce me.
Itas mo ngayon, no? Masisira yan, eh.
Mascara.
Victoria's. Sorry, what? She promised to move in with me in 2
I have a
I suppose she told you.
count. It's kind of dangerous.
I'll make sure I'm off my private number. Because it's seriously bad. I have a plan.
I mix my pockets up. So yeah, this is the Indian curry. It looks spiciness. To paint. So yeah, I'm going to paint you guys. Fun. Shiny. I mix it up. I'm putting my stuff in the trash can for a minute, so the pan get dry. I'm gonna put this thing up, and I'm going to put this here. Right, let's see. This is you. I need. You are this person, and it says sub, and this is you. I don't know what you guys actually look like, so I just made like YN. But I want to break it. Now I broke it, because you guys might. I don't know. gosh, I got it. That
See you, Nora. Bye.
Oh my god, it's going to look at it now. Oh my gosh, it's gone. How did that work? Guys, I'm actually clueless. Because I'm just turning 4th. I'm in my 4th year of elementary, so means I'm going to be 4. I'm scared it might break, and this might break, and this might break, and this might break, and this might get all eat over it, and this one, my car. This is my car. Mama, tagal pa rin sila. Matagal sila. I'm so goodbye. I'm going to sleep. Good night. Wait, yeah, I won't keep it so long, so yeah, bye. I am going to see you in the next clip. Wait, I want to try to be like with them. But you watch those. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That is the most iconic winter of all time. So yeah, I'm going to stop because I want to sleep. Bye. Already eating right now. Oh hey guys, sino kausap mo? So bye. Followers. At now, so yeah. I don't know what to do, and this is my house. This is his baby day. So yeah, I'm going to eat. And as you can see, I just woke up. That's it. So yeah, let's go downstairs. Let's go downstairs. Here downstairs.
I-close mo yung ano.
I just finished eating.
Light. Yun na, baby.
I'm just tired.
Close.
And there's lucky, so I want. Mavi, ano gawa mo? Ano gawa mo? Kotse na lang, kasi parang kotse naman to. Maggawa tayong van. Sige, van, dali. Huwag ganyan. Van, may dali. Kaya kung may bintana. Parang may pailas. Ayan mo.
Sige, play na lang kayong dalawa ni Ellie. Ito,
RV yun. That's an RV. Not a van. Sulok yun na, baby. Yay, we did it. We need to build the walls. We are making an RV, and he is doing something that I don't know what. Hey, we made an abandoned RV. Doesn't look good.
Isa lang mo na
you
30 minutes
ah,
lang.
may gagawin ako, i-guess mo anong ginagawa ko. Sige?
Ba kung yelaki,
Guess the build.
yelaki, ma, doon.
Hanapos mo ito.
Kita ko papantian.
Sino?
Susubugan ko yung nanay ko.
Sila.
Nasubog. Ang pakulangin. Ang pakulangin.
Ganda pakulayan na yung sa amin ko. Yes, pastok ng pilo.
Mamarian niya ka pa mamarian, tapos si Mamot.
Nakatanong tatay ko man ang pastok.
See?
What are you doing?
Ito yung may awit yan.
You know what this is, you always build this.
Ano to?
That's crazy.
Ano nang to pa po ang tanong mo sa tinubo people?
Be, Bobby.
Ay, come here.
Okay.
Ako muna. Pangilo.
Ha?
What is this?
Papa ko yun.
Good job. This is done.
Okay. I'm gonna go. Study well.
Okay, my turn. So, try ko i-guess ano gawa mo. Bintana. Bintana yan? Okay. My turn. Ako naman gumawa. Wow, sarap. Haha. What is this? Good job. Tama.
Ha?
Ano ko man. Nakakalis mo kumbang ulit.
Ibalik lang araw na lang.
Wala trabaho.
Okay, that's the end of the... Okay, let's build a house. No floor. We don't have any floors because we are poor.
Where are you going, Mabi? Just stay here. Sit down.
Gusto niya,
Ate Ellie.
gusto niya pumunta sa maingay niya na kapit.
Nagawin ko ata.
Play with Ate Ellie.
Pupunta lang din ako.
Oh, sige. Balik ka, ah. Pawil ka, ah. Mapapangasinan ka nga. Diyan ka bimalo.
Kiss.
Oh,
Bye-bye.
wala ka na naiwan, ah.
Yung pag-ibig ko sa bahay na to.
O, babalik ka naman. Ay.
Wala na.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Cellphone ko, wallet ko dito na. Double check.
Ha? Yung susi mo.
Yung cellphone ko, wallet ko dito na.
Susi.
I am making a house.
Okay.
Wala pa ng bulaklak ba? Okay na ba sa'yo? Wala po
Felix building the interior.
Pamilya mo okay na po sa'yo, ma'am? Yung walang bulaklak mga madam, 80 pesos lang. Tapos may sandan daw sa ano. Nagilima ba mamuli? Pamilya, pakumpare sa pamilya.
May ninang eklet.
May punta.
Ha?
May punta na ito pa. Masalita ka masalita.
Ha?
Magsalita ka na masalita.
Ina. Tapos, enjoy ka. Ang daalan. Ang tagay-lahirap naman ang hanap buhay mo.
I am just gonna make a controller and
Ha?
I'm going to make a controller.
Okay. Sige. Go.
That's the end of the video. Bye. Actually, end of the clip later I will go. I'm now at, I'm just here at in the room because we're playing, yeah, that's not the end of the video, so bye! Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
Seryoso eh.
No. Umiyak nga kanin si Craig eh.
Yun yung cellphone dati yung Tita Vine.
No, it is fine.
Ah.